Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on reflection. Reflection about a line is similar to reflection in a mirror. That is why we say that when an object is reflected, it is similar to the object looking at itself in the mirror. The reflected object is a mirror image of the original object. Let's look at some simple examples. The above triangles are reflected about the line. So there's that blue triangle there, and there's the line, and there's the reflection. The image is the same size, but as you can see, each of these are mirror images of each other. And the distances from the line are the same. It is easy to see how each of the above shapes are mirror images of each other. So the heart and the letter P, or the letter B if you reflect that way. The same applies for the shapes below. So the sizes are the same. Obviously the orientation changes, and distances from the line of reflection are the same in each case. Reflections in real life. Here's our example of a mirror, the cat looking at itself. These are beautiful examples in nature where some part of nature is reflected in clear water. For example, that could be a lake there, and those beautiful mountains are reflected in the lake. And the same with this beautiful swan, a perfect reflection of the swan in the water. And here's a bottle of perfume placed near two mirrors, and you can see the reflection in each of the mirrors. So they're just pretty good examples of reflections in real life. Reflect each of the following shapes in the given line. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the lines that are given. Just pretend they're mirrors and see how you go with reflecting those shapes in those lines. I'll just leave this slide on for 10 or 15 seconds. You can pause it for as long as you want so that you can draw the reflected shape, and the answers will appear in the next slide. Now here are the answers on the next slide. You can see the original shapes and the reflected shapes. I wonder how you went with those. So you can pause any part of the video for as long as you want to help you learn about reflection. So this video was just a very simple introduction dealing with reflection, and it just gave you some simple examples in real life and a couple of simple exercises.